Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice Math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 2 to the power of c is equals to c to the power of 32, and we solve this problem for all the values of c. So here we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. So we move toward the solution of this problem. So here the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to move the constant terms to the left hand side. It means that we need to move this 32 from right hand side to the left hand side, and we move the variable terms from variable terms into the right hand side. So this c be the variable term, we need to move this to the right hand side and we move 32 to the left hand side. So here first we move 32 to the left hand side, and for this we take 32th root on both of the sides, or in other words we will take 1 over 32 power on both of the sides, and it will be written as in this form: c to the power of 32 and its whole power is 1 over 32. And now here in the next step, here we interchange both of these two exponents and we move this 1 over 32 inside the term and we move the c outside the term, and it will becomes here 2 to the power of 1 over 32 and its whole power c is equals to, here you see that this 32 and this 32 are cancelled out by each other and we get only c. And now here in the next step, here you see that we move our constant term in the left hand side, and now we need to move the variable term to the right hand side. For this we will take cth root on both of the sides, or again in other sense we take 1 over c power on both of the sides, okay, in this way. And now again you see that this c and this c are cancelled out by each other, and in the left hand side we get 2 to the power of 1 over 32 is equals to, in the right hand side we get c to the power of 1 over c. And now you see here in the right hand side we have exponent be the reciprocal of its base. So we need to make this type of condition into the left hand side, and then we compare our both of the sides and we easily get the values of c. So in order to make the exponent be the reciprocal of its base, we need to multiply and divide the exponent of this 2 by 2, and it will be written as 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2 is multiplied by 1 over 32 is equals to c to the power of 1 over c. And here we multiply the denominator with 32 and we move this 2 inside that term, and it will becomes 2 square, and its whole exponent is this 2 times 32 becomes here 1 over 64 is equals to c to the power of 1 over c. And here you see that this 2 square becomes 4 to the power of 1 over 64 is equals to c to the power of 1 over c. And now again we again repeat the above process until we obtain the exponent be the reciprocal of its base. Okay, so here we again multiply and divide the exponent of 4 by 2, and it will becomes 4 to the power of 2 over 2 is multiplied by 1 over 64 is equals to c to the power of 1 over c. And now further in the next step we need to multiply these two terms, and we move this 4 inside the term and it will becomes 4 square, and its whole power is 1 over, this is 2 times of 64 becomes 128 is equals to c to the power of 1 over c. And again you see here we have this 4 square becomes 16 to the power of 1 over 128 is equals to c to the power of 1 over c. And in the next step we need more simplifications. So here again we repeat the above process and we again multiply and divide the exponent of 16 by 2, and it will becomes here 16 to the power of 2 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 128 is equals to c to the power of 1 over c. And in the next step here you see that we again repeat the above process, so that's why we move this 2 inside that term and it will becomes 16 square, and here we multiply this 2 with 128 and it will becomes here 256 is equals to c to the power of 1 over c. And here in the next step we need a little bit more simplifications, and it will be written as, you know about that a 16 square becomes 256 to the power of 1 over 256 is equals to c to the power of 1 over c. And now you see here, on both of the sides the exponents be the reciprocal of its bases, and now we are ready to compare both of the sides. So when we compare its bases, you easily get the value of c equals to 256, and when we compare its exponents we get 1 over 256 equals to 1 over c. So for both of these two cases we get the only one value of c, and that is 256. So this is the final answer of this question, or final root of this question. And now here in the next step we need to verify that is this value of c be the solution, or is this value of c be the extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is 2 to the power of c equals to c to the power of 32. So here we need to substitute the above value of c on both the sides, and we check its behavior. So when you put it here, it will becomes 2 to the power of 256 equals to 256 to the power of 32. So here we focus in the left hand side and we write this 256 as 8 multiplied by 32. We know that 8 times 32 becomes 256, and we check that is this equals to 256 to the power of 32 or not. So here we move this 8 inside the term and we obtain 2 to the power of 8 to the power of 32 is equals to 256 to the power of 32 or not. And you clearly see here 2 to the power of 8 becomes 256 to the power of 32 is equals to 256 to the power of 32. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value of c is equals to 256 is satisfied our given question statement. And finally we have the solution set of this problem is c equals to 256. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.